We got ourselves an octopusy, guys. Look at this. Look at this, guys. That's it, guys. I got 2 snappers. 1 jack. Oh, shore fishing. We just caught a little jack. Look at this. Jamaica shore fishing. Yeah, I'm out here permit jack hunting again, guys. I just ran into Hartman Adventure up the line right here. Mr. Hewitt just left a while ago, one of our good friends from fishing. So I'm out here just trying my luck, guys, where they might not have picked up anything from being here all day. I don't know how my luck is going to work out. So let's get into it, guys, and see what we can pick up. I got both lines set so far, and I might just string up a line for shrimp or something and smaller fish and see what I can pick up. Stay tuned, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. Got an octopus. Nice size one. He caught an octopus, guys. Look at this. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We out here now, guys. And let me get this camera off, guys. This is what I love about this camera. I can hit this button and just pull it right off. We got ourselves an octopusy, guys. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Big old octopus, guys. Look at him. Alright, shore fishing. Here still. It's going on 5:30. We ain't picked up nothing yet. Just waiting to see what we can pick up, guys. Just reset back the middle line. Got the left line still set with the urchin. Right line with urchin. Same way. Still waiting on a pickup. Haven't spotted any visual yet, but let's see what's up, guys. Stay tuned. Jamaica Shore Fishing. We are out here. We'll move down the line. Stopped at another spot. We're going to do a bit of night fishing here at Pier 1 because we was up the line and the water up there was real rough. I think we got a little bit more calmer water now. So what I'm going to do is set up a line. And I don't think I'm going to set up a lot, but let's try to do something. All right, guys, stay tuned. I don't have much lighting. Stay tuned, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. All right, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We're here set up. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we're in the dark. We're all set up here. I just got one hit on that line a while ago. Small hit, though. Nothing big. Like just picking at it. But let's see what's up, Jamaican Shore Fishing. Stay tuned. Yeah, guys, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We got our smallers. He just jumped on. He's small. He's small and swimming into me. Not even that funny. Not that funny at all. Yeah, shore fishing. Getting some more bait. It's kind of not the brightest down here, but we're trying to do what we have. Get some more bait peeled up. Haven't caught anything yet today, so nasa, not yet. And I double pin, 2 hook. Let's get this bad boy back in there, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. Nice little cruise boat in there. Let's get this out. Out there, guys. Get that line all the way out. What the hell was making this line swim into me a while ago? Oop. So we're gonna run off these bait on the board. If we don't pick nothing up, then we don't pick nothing up. That's it. Head home in a bit. All right, let's go back out there, guys, and see what's up. We got the bait on. Same spot.
I think I just got fish on. Fish on, guys. Fish on. I got fish on. Ugh. Yeah, fish on Jamaican shore fishing. Little snapper. Alright, let's get him up here. Probably a little jack. A little small jack, guys. Alright. Small jack. Alright, shore fishing. We just caught a little jack. Look at this. Small jackfish. Yeah. Little jackfish, guys. Look at them. Small. At least I broke my ducks. Shore fishing. $5-pounder one wouldn't be so bad right now, guys. So let's get this baited back up. Damn, jackfish out there hitting the line like crazy. Let's get them back in that same spot, guys. Short fishing. Alright, line set. Oh shit, again? Huh. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Again, fish on. Jamaican shore fishing. Looks like I found that magic hole. Another one. I got two of them this time, guys. Two! Double whammy. Haha. Yeah, two of them this time, guys. Look at this. Whoop whoop. Shore fishing. That's it, guys. I got two snappers. One jack, one snapper, one grunt. That's what's up. Whoop whoop. Oh damn, he swallowed this hook. Shit. I have to pull my pliers out now to get this guy off. can't save you. Shore fishing, I can't save him. Thought I'd be able to put this guy back, but he got hooked. He's done. Yeah, nothing I can do to save you, buddy. He's done. Can't do nothing with him. This guy right here is a croaker. They stick pretty hard. I hate dealing with them. Got him. He's done. Well, they say you got something on, Elder? Something on? Shore fishing fans, that's it, guys. Call it an evening, call it a night, whatever you want to call it. I caught 3 little small fish. I kind of gave them away to a guy back there because he wanted them. And that's it. I broke my ducks. I caught fish. Bless up yourself, Jamaican Shore Fishing. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing, and make sure you smash that thumbs up out there.